Hello again. Second time today, third time today. An unboxing. My Brew Republic box has just arrived 2 minutes ago. So I think I've got the, excuse me, I think I've got the 12 box this time. Or is that Beer 52 I've done it? I can't remember. There's one of them I've like upgraded to the sellotape, to the 12 box. But we'll see. It's got a note in it. What does it say? Dear comrade, another box of delicious beers for you to enjoy this month, celebrating some of our favourite brewers from our first year. This mix was created with the British summer in mind, all 2 days of it, in time to organise some gatherings and barbecues. Enjoy these beers with friends and a burger or two. No burgers for me. I weighed myself this morning. Since lockdown last March, I have put on 4 stone. £56. I weighed myself this morning. I was £280, 20 stone. So I was down to 16 because I'd lost about 8 stone. I was 24 stone, went down to 16. But since lockdown. Anyway, that's irrelevant to this, or is it? Oh, a nice wee Brew Republic glass. Didn't expect that. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, oh yeah, there's lots. Right, what's this one? It's a double dry hopped IPA from Off-Perk, is that? And it's called But What Is Normal? And that's a 6.5% ABV. Oh yes. And that's the same, a doubler. Well, I don't know if I was expecting Hobsons. I've had a couple of Hobsons. No, I had Hobsons Town Crier the other day. That was quite nice. So this is Hobsons Brewery Company Shropst, and it's a crisp pale ale at 4%. Nice, refreshing, sessionable summer beer, I would say. A wee can of stout is this. Well, it's a dry hopped sour. Siren Calypso. So Siren, I think, is the brewery, and Calypso is the name of the beer. Keep cold, serve cool, drink fresh. Oh yeah, and that's did I say it's a 4%? Very nice. Oh, 3XT, a West Coast IPA, Chinook, Cascade and Columbus hops. It's a 4.2% ABV, and it's brewed by the XT Brewing Company, Long Crendon in England. I don't know where that is, but I will look it up. Extremely tasty beers with a modern twist. So it's 3 is just the name of the beer. An American style IPA packed with Chinook, Columbus and Cascade hops from the American Northwest. Crisp, clean and refreshing with a lasting hoppy bite. That looks very nice indeed. I've had a few good ones for Brew Republic. Siren, Calypso, again. And another one, But What Is Normal? That's 3 of them. Mustn't grumble. And, oh yes, this is from Rooster's Brewing Company. I'm thinking the Rascals, the Irish. This is Rooster Brewing Company. And it's called 24/7. It's a session IPA at 4.7%. And the it's Rooster Brewing, yeah. That looks very nice. I tell you what, they're very cold. Good, good. Oh, nice bottle. The Wild Beer Company, Murmur. There's been a murmur. It's 5% ABV. It's from Shepton Mallet, wherever that is. I'm not exactly sure, in England. It's wine yeast and Venice hops and brut. Brut's dry, isn't it? So I don't know what the style is. Exceptional brewing stems from imagination and passion. Not just a process and never average. Wild minds conceive, create and craft beers that explore the boundaries of your palate. At Wild Beer, flavour and balance come first. Beer style is always a poor second. Murmur is the epitome of what we do, taking inspiration from food and drink around us. How this beer is fermented with an ale and 2 different wine yeasts. I had one. Brew Republic done a collaboration with, I think it was Orbit and Anspach and Hobsons, and for the vintage festival, the wine, and they used wine yeasts like Sauvignon. It was a lager. That was absolutely gorgeous. So I'm hoping this is kind of the same thing. It's got wine yeasts. Very nice. Oh, and it's another one of, but what is normal? It's like Christmas. And here's another Hobsons Shropst. Very nice. Oh, another 3 from XTC or XT3. A Brew Republic own label one, and that's Haus lager. Haus as in H-A-U-S, Haus, German for house. Double decoction, 8 weeks lagered, naturally carbonated, drink fresh. I don't think it'll be hanging around very much. That's a 4%. And last but not least, oh, that looks nice, eh? That's another one from, it's a Hammerton and Brew Republic collaboration, I think. And it's Cardamom and Conquer. Cardamom and orange sour, 3.9 ABV. That looks nice, eh? Yeah, this is from Hammerton in collaboration with our friends over at Brew Republic. This fruity and spicy sour was brewed with cardamom and conditioned on fresh orange. Warming notes of spice and orange are backed by a smooth body and balanced sourness. I think I need to change the strength of these glasses. So, no magazine or snacks from Brew Republic. I don't mind. It's the beer I'm after. So that's how many different ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 unique beers, but 14 beers. That's excellent. That is really good. I'm trying to remember. I think that's 30 quid a month for their classic case. So for 14 beers, that's pretty good, I think. And this was my first subscription to Brew Republic, so it's my 3rd case, I think. So I haven't been impressed by them. So of course, it's just that's a matter of taste, isn't it? And I'm quite a novice, but I still think they do a good job. So, oh yes. Now I'll get photographing these so I can insert them in my wee light box. I got a new light box a couple of weeks ago for taking photos. This, you plug it in and you can change the background colour. There's a light up above. I'm just learning. Anyway, this has rambled on a bit, isn't it? Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Ta-ta for now. Lovely.